How to add subdomain in Godaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to locate your domain that you want to modify or add a domain to. Simply click on DNS and we should be redirected to the DNS management page over here. And in this page, this is where we will be adding a new record or our subdomain. Simply click on add new record over here. On the options, click on type A. And then over here, type your subdomain name. So let's say about us or about. And then over here, simply enter your own IP address or your IP address of your website. And then simply click on save. And you should be able to easily add that as a subdomain in your Godaddy domain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.